Hello friends and welcome back to the Regulation channel. So friends, today I will talk about Gigabyte AORUS Supreme 5 high-end pre-built PC. So friend, the Gigabyte has announced the high-performance pre-built gaming PC with AORUS Supreme 5 to the North American market and is designed for gamers and power users seeking seamless performance without the complexity to building a PC. This pre-built system combines pre-installed Windows 11, cutting-edge high-end hardware of AMD Ryzen 9800 X3D processor, X870E AORUS Pro motherboard, and up to NVIDIA RTX 5090 graphics card. And the system also leverages optimized cooling and user-friendly feature for an unparalleled gaming experience. Additionally, user can adjust hardware setting, fine-tune performance, and synchronize RGB lighting with other Gigabyte hardware through the Gigabyte Control Center. And the AORUS Supreme 5 include tool-free accessibility, side-opening glass panel, access to the interior for quick maintenance, and standard-size component for hassle-free compatibility and scalability, and the built-in easy-to-clean magnetic dust filter, efficient airflow for long-term system stability combined with a comprehensive set of I/O ports including one USB 3.1 Generation 2 Type-C port, 4 USB 3.0 port, and audio jack on the top front panel, while 4 USB 3.2 Generation 1 and 3 USB 3.2 Generation 2 port at the back side for diversified connectivity, and it is equipped with AMD Ryzen 7 9800 X3D processor and X870E AORUS Pro motherboard. Gigabyte apply X3D Turbo mode to optimize core distribution, bandwidth tuning, and power balancing to boost performance by up to 18% on AORUS Supreme 5. And the AORUS Supreme 5 is equipped with all-around cooling solution featuring AORUS WATERFORCE II 360 all-in-one liquid CPU cooler for CPU heat distribution and signature WINDFORCE cooling system with newly designed hawk fans and the server-grade thermal conductivity gel to ensure stable performance during heavy load tasks, while the quad fan configuration boasts superior cooling efficiency and optimized airflow in the chassis. So friend, if you like my video, please do like, share and comment, and don't forget to subscribe my channel and press the bell icon.